Alright, welcome to another episode of Jug and Pug Show. Tell them what we fixing to do, old Pug.
We're about to do a game called Russian Roulette with a Nerf gun. This is a pretend gun, no real bullets, no nothing, so there's no harm being done. We have a special guest tonight. We got Jug.
You know this shit hurts, huh?
That's what she said. We got Jug, and we got none other than Scott. Scott.
Alright, I'm going to empty out all the bullets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I guess that's it. 6. Yeah, 6 shots. Alright.
All we need is 1.
Got 1 in there. As you can tell, ain't got but one. No, ain't nothing in there. You load up the 1 shell.
Lauren, you want to sit by for a minute?
Alright, here's the rules. After every shot, you gotta spin it, slap it, pull it.
What are we doing?
Alright, so when it gets past to you.
Shh. Over there. Get out of the camera.
Get out of the camera. That thing behind your head, yeah.
What?
Right there. Alright, now let's do it.
Just so
There we go.
Parental discretion is advised.
Yeah, don't let your kids do it.
Get over there, Sean. Sit down.
And do not try this at home, for real.
I'm watching.
Alright. Spin it twice.
Oh, shit. Are you ejected?
Push the button. Spin it. Pull it.
Look what she's got on.
Don't you hit me.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, pull the trigger.
It'd be nice if you had
That was a
Spin it. Throw it in.
Somebody go get them.
So Trevor.
Yeah, put it to your head. You can't find it.
Here,
Ain't
Mama.
it?
Getting our stuff together.
Oh. Alright.
Russian roulette.
Okay, Mama, all the kids are in here.
It's getting more intense than that.
You gotta go under the chin. Closer, closer. You know.
Under the chin.
Alright, after this round, we're just gonna start. We're not gonna spin it anymore.
Oh, boy.
All the way.
Stop, Sean.
Oh. Alright, final spin. No more spins after this. We're just gonna run through it.
Oh, man.
But you're gonna get it.
Yeah.
What are y'all gonna get it?
Oh.